Now, I've been able to mine way over 2,000 tokens. Majority of the referrals I have right now started recently after one of my videos took off. Before then, I only had about 3 people that were under me. Even if I wasn't really taking this mining very serious when I started around 2020. I started mining Pi Network around 2020, but I've been able to mine on my own. I've been able to mine about 1,000, and then the other 1,000 were from the 3 people that were under me. And out of these 3 people that were under me, every single one of them have successfully completed their KYC and they've successfully migrated to their mainnet. One thing I noticed is that I was only rewarded 1,000, which I mined on my own. The other bonus I got from those people that I referred, those 3 people that I referred, did not get to me. It's still sitting in the unverified balance. So guys, is it because they've not rolled out the bonus from my referrals yet, or there's something else that is making me not get this reward? If you know the answer to this question, kindly tell me in the comment section what you think the problem is, because what I think is that at least 80% of the entire mine token that I have right now should already be in my wallet, because people that earned me most of this bonus are already migrated. So I see no reason why I shouldn't get the tokens yet in my wallet. But then again, I don't want to believe that Pi isn't transparent about this whole thing. So I just thought I should come here to find some answers. If you are facing this problem, also tell me in the comment section. And if you know the reason why this is so, tell me in the comment section as well. And Pi Core team, this is a message directly to you guys. If there's a reason why I haven't gotten my reward completely, please, you should look into it. And several other people that have complained, a couple of people have also complained to me, which is why I thought, okay, it was worth it to make a video about this particular topic, right? The unverified balance will leave after a few days from now. So I really want to make sure that I don't lose. The amount of money I have in my unverified balance right now is quite a lot, and it really hurts me if I lose that much without getting the appropriate answers. If you know the answer to this question, please, I would appreciate it if you can, give me some insight in the comment section. And also guys, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel to get helpful and insightful content. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.